Assalamu alaikum students. Welcome to our today's class. Students, in previous class we have started the chapter 8, the introduction to population in Bangladesh. Do you remember what have we learned in previous class? In previous class we have learned about the population, the growth of population rate and the density of population. Do you tell me what is the growth of population? Yes students, the increasing number of population in any area is called the growth of population. And we know our population growth is changing day by day. We know in 2014 our population was 14 crore, but at present our population is above 16 crore. So our population is changing. So what is the changing of population? The population ability to change or change of structure of population is called changeability of population. That means when a structure of population is changing in a particular area or a state, that is called changeability of population. And this changeability of population is depend on some factor. What is the factor? The factors are birth rate, mortality rate, migration and social dynamism or mobility. So what is birth rate? When the rate of birth is increasing or decreasing, that is called birth rate in 1000 people. We know our birth rate is increasing day by day, that's why our population is increasing. And what is mortality rate? The rate of mortality of people in 1000 people in any country or area, that is called mortality rate. And we know our mortality rate is decreasing day by day, that's why the population of Bangladesh is increasing day by day. And what is migration? Migration is when any people move any place to other place, that is called migration. Like I live in Dhaka and now I will going to Rajshahi for my job. That is called migration. And that time when I go to Rajshahi for living, the population of Dhaka is decreasing and the population of Rajshahi is increasing. Social dynamism or social mobility. Social mobility like the status of society. Like and this factors is depend on our awareness or our education. Social mobility like when a son of a farmer is become a teacher. That time he cannot live in a village area or a rural or a remote area. That time he will come to the city area for his job, and that time their status is his status is the better from his father's status. That is called social mobility, and they come to the city for their job. That is called social mobility. These four factors are depends on some other factor. At first, this birth rate, mortality rate, migration and social mobility depend on the ages. Here some people are some ages like child, young and old. The birth rate, mortality rate and migration depends on the age. And some are here dependent population. Do you know who are the dependent population? The below 15 and the above 65 ages peoples are the dependent population. Why they are dependent population? Because they have no earning and they dependent on other people. That's why they are dependent population. And another factor is geography. In geography, the factors are climate, environment and communication. climate changes in place to place, the population is different. And also environment, where the environment is very cold and very hot, in that place the population is not very high. Like Siberian area, the environment of Siberian area is very cool. That's why in that place the population is very low. And the communication system, where the communication system is not good, the people did not like to stay here. The land types. In a country, many type of lands in a country, like hill area, chor area and plain land. I think students, in hill area the communication system is very tough and the facilities are not available for the hill area. That's why in up the hill or the side of the hill is people did not want to live, and in beside the hill area is the risk for their life in any natural disaster. And the chor area, in chor area is also not good communication system. That's why people don't like to leave the chor area. But in plain land where the communication system is good and the land is fertile and the working place is available, in that place people want to live here. That's why in plain land the population is high. Another factor is education. Education is the factor. When people become educated, that time they realize the bad effect of the high population, and that time educated people cannot want to increase their population and they control their birth. So the education is helpful to decrease our population for our country. And the employment, when the employment is available in which place, that place population is increasing. Like city area, where is employment is available and people get many job, that place population is increasing. Like Dhaka city or Chittagong city. In these cities the job is available and people want to live these places. After that, political stability. When the political stability is normal of any country, people live a normal life and they cannot move here and there. But when political stability is not normal, that time people cannot stay here. They become they become afraid in all time and they want to move anywhere. And natural disaster. We know, like our country, in riverside or in flood areas, every year many people are losing their house and they move in the city area or another area to live here. And war. When any country a war is occurred, that time people are become refugees and they had no houses, they had no food, they had no safety. That time they want to move to another state or they move to another place. So students, that these are the factors of our changeability of population. And we know the population of Bangladesh is increasing day by day, but it is a good thing the birth rate or the growth rate of birth is decreasing. In previous class we know in 2011 our growth rate of population was 1.37 and at present our growth rate of population is 1.04. That means our population growth is decreasing. So our people are become aware about the increasing of population, and we can we can take some measures to balance in our population. The measures are increasing awareness. When people are become aware, they want to balance in our population. In any country, in which country population is low rate, that people are aware to want to high their population. But like our country, where population is become high, in our country people when become aware, they want to decrease our population. Related development program. Our government or our organization can take some program on the population development. And increasing minimum age of marriage. When the minimum age of marriage is become increasing, that time our population is become decreasing. Program for decreasing poverty. We know the poverty is the main or the big problem in our country, and for this poverty our population also increasing, because in poor people cannot get education, and when they become uneducated, and they will not aware about the increasing population, and that's why they increase our population. So we want to take program for decreasing poverty. Emphasis birth control. Government and another organization should take a different program or a different emphasis on the birth control. And ensuring employment. We want to ensuring employment for every people. When the employment is ensuring, our overpopulation become skilled person, and skilled person become a asset for any country. Like China. China is a big country, and China has many skilled people. That's why China is become developing and developing. So that we want to emphasis on our employment. It should not only the government, but also our another organization also try to increase our employment, and that time we are become a developed country, and our population becomes skilled and a manpower. That's all, students. I hope you all are understand the changeability of population and the factors of changeability of population, and what measures we should take in for the in balance our population. And you will get a worksheet in your website. Please solve it and send to me. Thank you very much, students.